fishball, some vegetable, and some gravy. Wow, the chili is so spicy. Awesome. Hi, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook Thai Laksa. I have done the Thai Laksa video before. However, the last time when I did it, the portion was too big for 10 people. But this time I'm going to cook it for just 2 to 3 serving. And look at the ingredients, it seems a lot. You can look out for the list of the ingredients down below. I have separated the ingredients for the portions of which go into blender and which go into topping, seasoning, as well as the laksa and the vegetable that we will eat together with the laksa. These are the ingredients that I will put it into the blender, and everything from here will go into the blender. Just to name a few, right? This is the turmeric. I use very little. Lemongrass and also ginger. This is the Bunga Kantan. I will use only half of the piece, and the other piece I will use for topping. And this is the laser ginger or Rhizome, or in Thai we call it Kra-Chai. And this is for topping. This is the half of the Bunga Kantan, and two pieces of the ginger, laser ginger. So I just give it a light smash on it, and 1 stalk of lemongrass, light smash on it, some kaffir lime leaves, and some chili padi, red and green for topping. This is spring onion, some fish ball, and some tofu, dried tofu. I will be using 2 cans of tuna flake in oil. So this is the tuna flake in olive oil, so I'll be using this type of tuna. And 1 box of the coconut milk. So this is the laksa. I use about 350 grams, and these are the vegetables that we are going to be eating together with the laksa. This is totally optional. Some people may not like to eat raw vegetable. It's I have cabbage, long beans, cucumber, mint leaf, and the sweet basil leaf. And not to forget, this is the seasoning. So 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. So we have everything in the blender, and I'm going to give a little bit of water to blend. Put some water. I blend until very fine. So we're going to start to cook it. Put in the coconut milk in the box. I have about 4 kaffir lime leaves, so I'm just to break it and give it the best fragrance. Put in the lemongrass. Coconut we need to cook until it boils, so it will give the strength, nice fragrance for the curry. When the coconut started to boil, it will release a very nice fragrance. So I will just continue to stir for another a couple of minutes. So I'm going to put in all the blended ingredients. Oh, the aroma, the smell is so nice. I will continue to cook the coconut together with the mixture until the fragrance of all the ingredients that come out. Just to have to keep stirring it. So I will add in water because it started to boil and jumping all over the place. So I will add in about 500 ml of water first. going to put in the laser ginger and daun kasom. Just need to quickly cut this. Just put it in. I'll cut the lid, cover the lid, let it simmer. Look at the mess. I'm going to clean up now. When the curry is boiling, putting in the tuna. Let it continue for another 1 or 2 minutes. I'm putting in the fish sauce and half of the salt that we have. I don't want to put too much in case it's just already enough salty, and the sugar. I'm going to give it a taste. Okay, I'm going to put in the rest of the salt because it's not enough salty. So, yep. So I'm going to put in the chili just for topping, garnishing. It's optional for anybody who wants to take. And before I put it in, I'm going to give it a rinse with the hot water first. Just pour hot water on it to rinse away the smell of fish, the fishy smell. After I rinse the fish ball already, so I'm going to just pour it in and put in the tofu. Fish ball, they cook very fast, so I'm going to switch off the heat now. And last, we just put in the spring onions. And that's our curry laksa, Thai laksa. Laksa, we're just going to cook the laksa in the hot boiling water. Just put it in. The laksa noodle, they should be cooked. They should cook very fast. That's done. I'm going to just scoop it off and take and put it in the cold water. Laksa noodle ready. Put some long beans. Cucumber, shredded cabbage, some mint and the sweet basil and some mint. Okay, look at that chili. I want to have this chili. Look at that, so beautiful. Some fish ball and tofu. Look at that. The gravy has already covered my laksa noodle. I can't see it anymore, but can't wait to eat. When you eat laksa, you have to mix everything together. Wow, the first bite. The laksa noodle is so smooth, and the fragrance of the curry plus the mint leaf is really like having so fresh and wonderful taste in the first bite. This is really nice. Or maybe I just use the forks. So good. Haha. It's so yummy. This is really good. Oh my god, I love this. I'm gonna cut some chili. Fish ball, some vegetable, and some gravy. Wow, the chili is so spicy. It's awesome. Every bite is like a party in the mouth. Wow, so good.